Okay, so welcome back. So in this example, we're going to talk about something called debt-to-income ratio. Okay, so the debt-to-income ratio is used in lots of different financing situations. For example, buying a home is a big one, right? They look at your debt-to-income ratios. One of the qualifications to qualify for a mortgage is to look at your debt-to-income ratio. Lots of creditors will use debt-to-income ratio and other factors to decide whether you're a risk willing to be taken to extend credit or money to. Okay, so in this example, we're going to look at applying for a home. So in applying for a home loan, two factors a lender examines are the prospective buyer's gross monthly income. Okay, so gross monthly income is the amount of money coming in before any deductions, before taxes or anything else are taken out. So gross monthly income. The other thing is total monthly debt payments. So what's going out? So what do they look for? Well, they're looking at all money coming in and all money going out. So this is another term that's used as cash flow. Okay, cash flow is used in business, but it's also used in personal finance. So gross monthly income is your money coming in. Total monthly debt payments, that's money going out. Your bills, expenses, whatever is going out of the house. Okay. Now, if you take this ratio of these two, what they call the debt to income percent or the debt to income ratio, they're saying, what if that maximum debt to income percentage is 43%? Okay. So let's use that as an example. Okay. What is the necessary gross monthly income to the nearest dollar for a buyer whose total monthly debt payments are $1,225? Okay. So in other words, here's the ratio we're looking at, just so we could set this up, right? Debt to income percent, right? So debt to income. So we're looking at the debt divided by the income equals the percentage, right? Okay. So in this case, the monthly debt payments, or the gross monthly income is your base. The debt, right, total debt, monthly debt payments is your portion. And of course, the debt to income ratio or percentage is the rate. And so we see it has the same form as the formula that we've been using. Okay, so this is what we need to use in order to answer this question. So what's known? Well, we know the rate, right? The maximum percentage is 43%. And we know the debt portion, right? Their monthly debt payments are $1,225 per month. So this is P, and of course this is R. So we need to find B, the base, right? In this case, the total monthly gross income, monthly income. So now, what do? Let's solve for B. So this means B is equal to P over R, which in this case is going to be $1,225 over 43%, but we're going to write that as a decimal, so that's going to be 0.43. And of course, if we put this in our calculator, we get what? So we get 2848.84. Oops. Okay, so that's to the nearest penny. But they want to the nearest dollar. Okay, so if we round to the nearest dollar, then we would round to 28.49. So the answer is approximately $2,849 is what their necessary gross monthly income needs to be. So it has to be at least, their gross monthly income would have to be at least this amount in order to be below, or at the very minimum, or the very maximum at the 43%. So this, if we round it to 28.49, then we'll be a smidge under that percentage. So that is their necessary breaking point that they need as far as gross monthly income, rounded to the nearest dollar. And that's it. Have a great day.